What's going on, fellow vets? Brian Reese here, the VA Claims Insider, coming at you live from Austin, Texas. And in this really short video tutorial, I'm literally going to show you on the screen, step by step, on the new VA.gov website, how you check the current status of your VA claim or appeal. Okay, now for simplicity purposes, I've already logged in. So you'll need to navigate over to VA.gov. And then once you've completed the sign-in process, okay, you can log in with your DS log on. You can log in through My Healthy Vet. If you have a My Healthy Vet premium account, you can also log in through ID.me. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to see your name across the top right hand of the screen there. You're also going to see a tab that says My VA and My Health. Now, My VA will display all of the current running information for you. My Health is a direct API link to My Healthy Vet. Okay, now for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm showing you exactly how to check the status of your VA claim or appeal online. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to hover down to this section that says Access and Manage Your VA Benefits and Healthcare. And you're going to click this link under the disability box that says Check Your Claim or Appeal Status. Okay, now once this application loads, there's a few things that I want to point out to you, okay? At any time, you can pick up the phone and call 1-800-827-1000 and speak to a representative, okay? That's absolutely a way that you can get the most current status of your claim. The other thing that I wanted to show you is you can submit a question to the VA, okay? This is through their customer help IRIS service. And so literally you can click this and you can submit a question. So under this section, though, you'll see it says check your VA claim or appeal status, and it shows you. So I currently have an open FOIA request. I requested a complete copy of my C file, and it'll tell you the status. Okay, it's in green, but it's an evidence gathering review and decision. Development letter sent. It'll show you when you submitted the claim. You'll also see all previous claims as well as the current status, whether they're open or closed. You'll also see your appeals. And then what you're going to want to do is for more detailed information, you can click this View Details, and it's going to open up an expanded list of what's going on with your claim and the step that you're on in the process. Okay. So this is for this particular FOIA request. If you have a disability claim, it'll say disability compensation claim. If it's an appeal, it'll say appeal. If it's an education benefit, if it's a pension benefit, it'll say that as well. Okay, so then what you're going to see is under status, it'll tell you exactly where you are. So for me, it says I'm in step 3, the evidence gathering, review and decision phase. Okay, and then you can also click the Files tab if you want to upload additional evidence, or if you want to see the files that are already uploaded. You can click the details as well, and it'll show you a little bit more about the claim, what you've claimed specifically, the date that the VA received it, and then if you have an accredited representative helping you with your claim. Okay. I'm going to go back though to this check your claims or appeal status because I wanted to show you one other thing. You'll notice under the additional services here, it says to update your personal information, get help filing claims or appeals, or to view your uploaded documents, go to eBenefits. Okay, as of right now, almost mid 2021, you can't view the documents you've submitted to the VA at VA.gov. You have to head on over to eBenefits. Once you've logged into eBenefits, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a bunch of links, and you can click the link that says My Documents, and you can see and check documents that are in your file. Okay? All right, that's all I wanted to show you today. Super simple tutorial of how to check your current VA claim or appeal status online. Just a few simple clicks literally will take you less than 5 minutes if you follow this tutorial. Okay? All right, fellow vets, you need some help, head on over to VAClaimsInsider.com. We've got a ton of free resources. If you want to join our elite membership program, get a veteran coach assigned to you to help you through the often confusing disability claim process. If you need education, if you need more medical evidence to try to get the VA rating you deserve, again, we'd love to serve you inside of our program. Okay? All right. We'll talk to you real soon, fellow vets. Bye.